you're boarding the boat for the Jungle Cruise or flying on Aladdin's magic carpets, when you visit Adventureland, bring an extra dose of bravery. As for me,
I can't believe this thing doesn't even steam power.
you're aboard my train if you don't mind.
Oh yeah!
West of the Magic Kingdom, Frontierland. This outpost is home to colored wagons, cowboys, and country bears.
What the
Exciting adventures. You might catch a runaway mine train at Big Thunder Mountain, or pop on over to Splash Mountain and join Brer Rabbit for a 50-foot drop straight down into the Briar Patch. We've reached Frontierland Station Trailer, so sit tight until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking here, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform.
That's awesome! Whoa, that is so cool!
As we pull into Frontierland Station, please remain seated until the train does come to a full and complete stop. Our engineer has given us one single whistle, and
I missed the picture!
All clear. Again, the words all clear, please.
I missed
Remember,
the.
please also to keep your strollers bolted until you cleared our exit. For now, though, remain seated.
You don't cut it out.
A little longer. Stay seated.
Dude, guess what happens?
All clear.
Swear to
Please
God.
watch your